Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today I am going to be showing you how to sew some bulbs. So first of all, what we are going to do with our secateurs is I'm just going to clear an area. So the first one I'm going to do is this one, and I'm just going to get it by the root and as close as I can. I'm going to just clip it. So that's our first one down. Let me just put that one in there. And we'll get our next one. And we're going to clip it out. And we'll do this and we'll clear a little area and we'll come back when that's all done. So with my shovel here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up the area that we cleared. So this might take a little while, just in terms of the swords are a bit rough. And so this will be speeded up. So slight change of plans. The shovel wasn't really working, as you could see. So I've switched tools and we've now got a fork. And so hopefully now it will be a bit faster. And we'll just do this to get started. And once we've loosened up the soil, we'll change to the shovel. So we put some fresh compost down. Well, we had a minor incident. We had the bag placed here. It fell over and it went over our soldier, so we tried to save as many as I can. And we've got our compost is down here. And you might be thinking, Drew, why is it so small? Well, today we've had to improvise a little bit at these certain times. There's not really many big bags of compost around, so we just had to put up with what we can. So I saved as much as the soil as I can. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it off because it needs a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hands in, and using the technique that I showed you a couple episodes ago, I'm just going to rub my hands. Now I can take a little bit from there. I'll get probably one more handful and see how we go from there. A bit too much there, so I'm just going to. So this is where we're going to be placing our bulbs, and now these should come up in the summer. And so I've got our bulbs here, and all we are going to do first of all is attempt to open them. So yeah, well it might be easier to just stab a hole with my finger. Right, open the packet. Right, so you're just going to open the half a little more. Now these need to be about 5 centimeters deep and 3 inches apart. So we've got a couple holes already dug, so they need to be about up to here on a child's finger. So this is so it's almost like a triangle tower, with the fat bit being at the bottom and the small bit being at the top. So we're just gonna cover it up like so. Now about 3 inches, so that one was about there. So I'm thinking here, and we're just so I've just done the next hole. So we did it about there, so that's about 3 inches. They need to be this way up, remember. And so I'm just gonna place it in there, and I'm gonna cover it up. So that one was about there, so I'm gonna drill about there. Should be good. So I've got my trusty old watering can here that appears in every video. So all I'm going to do, like I showed you in every other video pretty much, is I'm just going to water like so. And I don't want to waterlog it, so that should be good enough. And all the water's seeping down, obviously. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. But that's it for this Grow Your Imagination upload. Bye guys.